náà ni ó báyìí náà ni àní báyìí náà lérè wa àti sọ pé báyìí náà ni àní báyìí náà lérè wa Bisi Ologe Show lè tó Alábí Akẹ́wà jẹun bẹ́ẹ̀ bá ti gbé síbẹ̀ Jíbọ́lá ẹ fi sílẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ ẹ̀hún ẹjọ́ wà bẹ́ẹ̀ ẹ̀hún ẹ má gbé kúrò Jíbọ́lá o tóró ń kọ́ nínú gbọ́n òye ń bẹ níbẹ̀ Jíbọ́lá Bisi Ologe Show lè tó báyìí náà ni o.
There's no time to check time. Nkechi, today is not a birthday. So definitely on the 14th, turn off, you shut it down. Nkechi, this is just word of advice. Keep doing good, simple.
Yes, baby.
Keep doing good. Keep supporting people as you normally do. This is more for what people have been doing for you. Believe me, you know what? I want to be the cake. Do you not get credit for my wife? Right, listen here. Nkechi, congratulations to you, my darling sister. Our 34 in the journey of life is not easy. Trust me. So, ladies and gentlemen, before I acknowledge all the guests, I want to give the microphone first of all from the celebrant because today she was totally astonished. Who's that? Alright. So Nkechi, I will give you the microphone for 5 minutes. Just express yourself in one word.
Oh, okay.
Water. She need water.
No. You know, I had a feeling, I had this feeling today that something was going to happen. But I thought it was Royal Hawks bringing me para. I swear to God, I swear to everything that I hold dear to me, I wasn't expecting this. Please let me see the people I'm talking to. If you really was left right, let them look at me. If you don't want to go, anything. I love you. No, the truth is, when I had this feeling this morning, I put it on my status. I was like, my heart is beating fast. What is about to happen today? Then, few hours later, Royal House called. Nkechi, where are you? Because I said, anything anybody wants to do, you better do before 14 because me, I want to run away. Every year, I've been single for every year. Yeah, this is the actual year that I found real life happiness. I love you, baby.
Are you guys not happy? She said you found her love. Make some noise! Where is the baby? Where?
Oh, sorry, I'm so sorry for putting you on the spot. But the truth is, over the years, I've always had parties where all my single friends come to party with me. Yeah, today I might have a relationship, but there's a difference between having a relationship and being happy in the relationship. A lot of married people are married today, but they're not happy in their marriage. Forget, I don't show you everything. I show you just half. If I show you the actual happiness online, can you count the fuck down, Pencil G? So as I was saying, thank you all for coming out for this. Jubi, are you not supposed to be snapping picture? You didn't want? What's in your work, man? Anyways, to my dear friend Bakari Zainab. Okay, sorry, I don't get friend. You're mad. She the Chris. Don't ever push your WhatsApp. Anyways, I'd like to say a big thank you to everyone present here today. Trust me, from the depth of my heart to the bottom of my soul, I really do appreciate you all for putting this together. It takes a lot. It takes someone who you all believe in that is a good person. Because to me, I've never thought I'm a good person. I used to think nobody likes me. That's a fact. Over and over, Royal House keeps telling me, we love you. People love you. A lot of people love you. I'm like, okay. Now the only one why they hear every day when they sweet me, now my baby only. I shall be shut up. Tito cakes. Ha. I remember telling her, I wish I would go pay love me. Are you not going to do birthday this year so I can start doing your birthday cake? I'm like, yeah, I told you my next birthday I would want something like a castle. But this year I do not want to have a party. I just want to go somewhere private with my baby and enjoy life. But then you pull this through. To my single friend that is always single go every year, Sabrina, but this year I told her, don't come, I'm not doing party, go and be with your boyfriend. Sabrina leaves her boyfriend, no, fiance, she's getting married in April, everybody, I'll invite you all. Sabrina, can you come to the front, please? Thank you. So she said, Nkechi, are you not having a party this year? I'm like, no, this year you have to be with your fiance. Every year I take permission from your fiance to always be with me. Every party, she never misses it. That's so after dinner. This girl too love me. If I say I no girlfriend, no always go like Sabrina. Nah, for you know you are my blood. But is this Sabrina? She's my sister. My name is Nkechi. She's my sister. She's been with me since waiting. It's been long. And this is our incoming bitch. I love you, my friend. I stand up and I swear. So moving on. I can't mention all the names here tonight, but I was shocked when I saw Idris. Idris connecting Nigeria. My own Tom. I love you so much, Idris of Lele. Idris, can I hear your voice? Say you love me too now. Oh, sugar. I'm sorry. Right, let me drink my water before I continue. I swear to God, I wasn't expecting this much crowd and an actual party setup. What are you talking about? That's why it's important. I pay for this all, I mean, I'm free. My papa began one hall before he died. You think he here now? Zainab. Woman chef go go you over and chef me no. Give them the dates, you know. Woman sit there. Woman sit there. You are not much now. Towards a year end, in the Okay, so my sincere appreciation to everyone sitting here today. I appreciate you all. Thank you all for coming to all the media houses. As usual, you know I always give people your kudos. Thank you. But you know what be Broadway. Got that is nice. Book on the phone. Ha, let no one know. But me expect them on share the vibe. There's an actual food. Yes, you can cook it outside with Without saying much, I'll say big thank you to my younger sister Jennifer. She's my investment. I call her my investment. Everything I have in this life is for her. And to my son Elijah, come forward, baby. Angel never love me and patronize me. You know, I take every opportunity I get to advertise my business because I'm a serial entrepreneur. I don't joke with my business. If you have kids, please visit Nova Kiddies Home on Instagram, Novas_Kiddies_Empire. Buy one or two for your child. We deliver to wherever you are. Where's my son?
Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to click on subscribe button. Kindly comment and share. We drop new videos daily. Thank you. God bless you.